Did you know a teenage girl's training diary just made a room full of war commanders go completely silent? The guild scholar asked to look through Ella's pack. Standard procedure, he said. But when he opened her journal, he stopped flipping pages. Then he called someone over. Then 2 more people came. Ella watched them take notes. Actual notes. On her notes. What she had written as a 16-year-old trying to qualify for the Olympic trials read, in this world's language, like a military field manual. Her periodization cycles translated to troop rotation schedules. Her shot volume logs matched engagement doctrine. The anxiety entries her coach made her write before major competitions looked like psychological conditioning protocols. Her technical correction notes read as precision optimization under fire. These were people who had spent their lives studying how armies think, how soldiers are built, how warriors are made. And every single thing they were reading, Ella had figured out on a practice range in rural Virginia before she could legally drive. She hadn't trained to survive this world. She had trained for it perfectly. She just didn't know it yet.